iPhone wallpaper hack that will cost you nothing. I love this.
Okay guys, so today I'll teach you guys how to do the free wallpaper hack that costs nothing. All you need is just your pictures. So firstly, you go to your photo and you hold the picture you want to use, then duplicate. Come to the duplicate one, go to edit. Once you go to your filters, go down to Nori. Once you are Nori, then you go back, come to your brilliance, then you reduce it, then done. Once you are done, you go to your wallpaper at your settings, wallpaper. This is your current wallpaper. This is my current wallpaper now, so add new wallpaper. Go to your photo shuffle at the up, photo shuffle up here, set manually down here, album, then you choose the photos you want, then you click on add here, then not see this down part, these 3 dots at the down, 3 dots, you click on it, then you put on top, then you finish at the top, you click add at the top here, add, set as wallpaper pair, yes, set as wallpaper pair. Now it's good to go. This is the wallpaper. You can tap it for it to change. Tap it for you to change. It depends on how many pictures you want to put. Me, I just go with these 2 pictures. And today I'll teach you another trick on iMessage. You probably don't know. First of all, you go to the picture you want, the message. You tap your message, hello. Then you click on just hold this arrow button facing up. Screen, you can send it like this, or you can swipe, you see options. You can swipe, you see options. It depends on the one you want. I bet some of you don't know about this, so you just I go with this effects. You just tap on the arrow button facing up, like this. You can send another one. Just hold the arrow button facing up, hold it down. Then this is another effect. This invisible ink is another effect. You can send with gentle. Me, I go with the slam. Slammed. I've slammed it. So this is a cool trick. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.